This healthy banana coffee cake recipe is an eggless treat you can enjoy any time of the day. It is perfect for breakfast or dessert and a great way to use the ripe bananas. This cake is moist and the bananas melt down to a creamy layer that dissolves into the cake, giving it a fluffy texture and has a subtle coffee flavor that pains well with the sweet bananas. If coffee would have a best friend, then this banana bread coffee cake would be. As usual, I made this recipe with healthy ingredients that you can feel good about eating. The ingredients that you need for this cake are very basic, which you might already have on hand. I'm showing you 100-gram banana bread cutting because this bread I was baking for my order. See how moist and soft this bread comes out. Starting with the recipe, take a bowl, add jaggery powder, hot milk, coffee powder and mix well and keep aside. Mixing coffee in hot liquid adds rich flavor to the cakes and bread. Now save your dry ingredients whole wheat flour, baking powder, baking soda and salt. As whole wheat flour is heavier than commonly used all-purpose flour, so while using whole wheat flour, it becomes important to incorporate air into the other elements of the dessert. One definite way to do that is by making sure you sift your dry ingredients twice instead of just adding them in the bowl with wet ingredients. To make batter, add in peeled ripe bananas to a bowl, mash them completely using fork or a masher, then add lime juice and combine well. The overripe bananas will add sweetness and moisture to the baked goods. You can also freeze the mashed bananas and use them lately for baking. Also, overripe bananas can bind and moisten the ingredients while adding flavor and natural sweetness. Now add oil, curd, and milk and whisk for some time. Always use neutral oil which has no fragrance. You can use virgin coconut oil or olive oil. Now add the jaggery coffee mixture and mix well. Now add your dry ingredients in portion. This will help in mixing well. Always remember to weigh well ingredients. If you increase the amount of wheat flour, your bread will be dense as we already using a heavy flour that is whole wheat flour. It will not withstand enough pores and hence result in dense bread. So end with adding walnuts, but always mix walnuts with flour before adding in batter to avoid sinking them to the bottom of the bread. Now it is time to preheat the oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Transfer the batter in tin lined with baking paper, but I have added in ready to bake and serve loaves because this cake is for my order, and also garnish them with more walnuts and bake at 170 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes or till toothpick or knife comes clean from the center. If you like the recipe, then do like, share and comment, and do let me know how this recipe comes out. And also, if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe my channel to see more such type of healthy content. Stay tuned.